Hi everyone, my name is Emily Mpunga. I am the HubSpot implementation specialist and HubSpot certified trainer at Digital Reach. And today I'm going to show you how to create an email using AI. So with AI, you can be able to save time and still be able to deliver the professional content to your audience and to your recipient. So let me just quickly show you how to do that in HubSpot. So now I'm in our demo portal, and to get to the emails, you go straight on your left-hand side under marketing, you go straight to emails. And once that opens, you can create an email, click on this button. So depending on the kind of email that you are creating, whether it's a regular email or automated that you're going to use in your workflows or your blog for publishing your contents once you are sending the updates to your email subscribers. So for this test, we're going to use the regular email. So you'll click on that email type and then click next. So you'll have to choose the template that you're going to use. So you'll see here the ones that are drag and drop. The first one that shows, those will be your saved templates that your team created. And as you scroll down, you'll see all the templates that HubSpot created. So I'm just going to grab any template because this is just for testing. I'll create this basic one for HubSpot. And so it opens into the email editor. And once you are here, so this is where you're going to insert your content, your email content. So depending whether you already have the content that you want to use for your email, or you want AI to like create email for you, you can always, on your left hand side here, you'll see all the modules that you can track and drop into the space here, into your sections, so you can be able to customize that. So let's say, for example, you want to drag and drop the text depending on how you want to build your email and where you want to put that. So if you put it like this, it's showing that that's a full width. And if you just want to drop it only like inside or just the space, you can always do that. And I'll say this is the text. This is my email text. I'll just delete this one and just be left with that one. So maybe let's say you already have content and you wrote something here, but you're not sure how this will sound to your audience or to your recipients. And you wrote your email and you're like, I just want to be sure that this is the message. This will be professional, or how will it sound to my recipients? You can always highlight all that part that you want to rectify, or maybe to add like a professional tone to it, or any tone that you will choose. So you will see once I highlight on this text here, and then I'll see this button that says refine. So you click on that arrow. So here it says apply brand voice, rewrite that text, or expand, or shorten, or change the tone to make the tone of this email to be friendly, professional, witty, heartfelt, or education, or maybe something else, right? Just say, I want to change it to professional. Okay, to professional tone, right? So now I'm going to click on professional, and now it's going to generate. So if you see here, the Copilot is already written something for me, and it says our professional service have been enhanced, and we are pleased to now offer inbound marketing. We specialize in creating websites and blogs. Please feel free to reach out to us. We are here to assist you. So that sounds so much better than what I wrote here, right? It sounds professional, it sounds just better. So you can always refine it. If you're not happy with that results from the Copilot, you can always try to refine it again, and you can just click on that insert. So once I click on insert, you can see this text went straight to the highlighted area, the highlighted text. So now I've got that professional text from AI, and now it's inserted there. So that's how you can use AI to better your emails, to create emails for you. So depending on what you want your recipients or your audience to receive, you can always use AI for that. So there's so many things that you can use AI for, and I'll show you that in my next video. But while we're still on email, I'm going to also show you, once you're happy with your email, put everything that you want to deliver there, and you come to your settings, and now you want AI to help you with the subject line. Right. So, because of AI already read the body of your email and the message that you're sending to your audience and to your recipients, so now it can just generate the subject line for you without you even putting anything there, because it read already what you wanted to send. So you can check all the options that AI suggested for you. You can say discover our enhanced inbound marketing service, or boost your business with our email. You can always choose whatever you want, or you can, if you're not happy with the ones that AI came up with, you can always generate new ideas. But I'm just gonna insert this one just for this one. And also the same thing with the preview text, right? It can also generate that based on the email that you created. So that's how simple it is now to use AI for your content and everything else. So, thank you so much. Please let me know if you do have any questions or you need assistance with this, and we'll always help you. Thank you. Bye bye.